So imagine after generating super realistic video using Sora 2 and boom, you are slapped with this watermark right here. And you know how annoying it is when posting this kind of video and people are seeing exactly the source of your video. Okay, now most of the videos I've seen online being generated with Sora 2 are just super realistic. In fact, you can even believe that they are real. So in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove this annoying watermark with just AI. So make sure you stick around as we go through the process together. Okay, so after generating your video and the watermark is there, head over to your browser and search for this AI tool called magic eraser. Okay, so this is it, magic eraser.org. Okay, this particular one right here, take a look and see they have here magic eraser.org, magic eraser.io and this. So make sure you are on this particular one, magic eraser.org. So I'll enter the site. Okay, so from the home page right here, you can see here video 2. So if I click on that, you can see here they have video watermark remover. So you can remove any watermark at all from your video, and this is it. They have this, so there are 2 watermark remover. So I'll click on that. Okay, so pay attention to the instructions right here. They say up to resolution. Okay, this is, you can only upload 2K video, and if your video is longer than 500 MB, it won't go, and the resolution shouldn't be above 2K. And these are the suggested video formats right here, MP4 and MP4V. So I'll just go ahead and upload my video. So this is the video I've already made with Sora 2. Okay, so I'll just open this. Let's search for it. So you can see it's actually generating. So let's wait for some minutes. So the first step is done. Okay, generating the video, and this is, now I want you to pay attention to this. The first thing you need to do is to remove the nose, so that normally it will like appear like 3 times. This icon right here, it appear like 4 to 5 times, depends the duration of the video. So the tool is very simple to use. All right, so just swipe this and the watermark is on. Now let's play this video and see if it actually works. So you can see the watermark is no longer there. This is the download button, so you click on this to download your video. You can see in less than 2 seconds the video was already downloaded. So this is it. Let's play the before and after. So this is the video before. Okay, let's play this till the very end. Okay, you can see the Sora icon is here. So let's play the after, and this is the video after removing the watermark. Okay, so that is a simple step to removing Sora 2 watermark, okay, using AI. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this very moment, and please, if you know what I'm doing on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. That will signal the algorithm that this video is worth recommending. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.